Howdy y'all, welcome back to Pals Fishing Outdoors. So we're in a predicament today. All the places in town that sell worms are completely out. So we're out here. All we got is what artificial bait we got. And whatever we can catch, because we didn't think to grab worms that we've already dug up and had ready to go. But so should make for quite an interesting day of fishing. We'll just see what we can't get accomplished. I brought the throw net and bait bucket, luckily, because I almost left that at the house. That would have been a mistake apparently for today. Also got the crawdad net, so there's what looks to be a giant carp laying over there. It might, I don't know if I can get this to where y'all can see that or not. I don't know if you can see that giant carp over there or not. But if you can, good. If not, sorry. At least I tried. I made an effort. But who knows? Now I'm looking around, seeing if I can spot any minnows. There's a minnow. And there's me about to fall in. Who knows? Huh. Well, can't use that for bait. That's a baby bass right there swimming. I don't know if the camera's gonna pick that up or not, but there's one maybe the camera can pick up. Yeah, I lost track of it now. There we go. There's a little bluegill. I'm gonna make good bait. Like I said, y'all, there's a glare on the screen, so I can't really tell what the camera's picking up, what it's not, but three little bass. Four. No. Yeah, four maybe. Little bluegills. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the throw net and see if I can't catch up some of them baby bluegill. See what happens. Alright. Well, that's about it for now. We'll get back with y'all later and let you know what all transpires throughout the day. And we'll keep you posted later, y'all.
Fish to ever catch, cast it out second time, and I catch my least likely fish.
Well, now we know what was laying over there. It wasn't no carp, it was a big drum.
Oh, no. Something just broken. The line just broke. Now you get back in there.
What'd you catch them on there, Unc?
That thing.
Them little creature baits do work.
Yeah, but I can't use it.
Look at the rod, though. What is that?
That's a 24-inch South Bend worm gear rod and reel. I'm gonna let him in the bucket. Yeah. You want me to put water in it? Here, I'll put water in the bucket. I'm gonna let it release him.
What? There. Well, hold up your fish there.
I'm gonna stick my finger in his mouth. I don't like drum, but there he is.
That will go in the above ground pond if we can keep it alive long enough. Just for you.
Yeah, I gotta sit down and retire.
Shit. I just wasted that cigarette.
All right, let me go. Are you going to stay? I'm gonna go truck me my tackle bag and stuff.
But here's a little yellow thingy majigger. I don't know what that bait's called, but
That's a jig head. That's for them little bitty ones we got. Those little bitty jig.
Anyway, I'm gonna try with throw net and maybe catch some of these bluegill if I didn't just scare them off by falling and stepping into the water a little bit. But we'll get back with y'all later. Well, y'all, welcome back to Pals Fishing and Outdoors. Pulling up over here, we saw that big snake, and I was like, ooh, sweet. We'll get it on camera, and yeah, I'm pretty sure that's a water snake. I'm not close enough to tell for sure, but I'm pretty sure that's just a water snake. Don't look like it's got the V-shaped mouth. We're gonna get closer though, and maybe get a better video of it. Possibly. Oh, danger. Apparently what I'm doing is going to be dangerous, so, yeah, don't try this at home, y'all. Yeah, where is it? There it is. Yeah, that's just a water snake. Big water snake, though. Big, fat, healthy one. Well, y'all, we're gonna fish up here on, or I am anyway. Fish this side of the dam, see what I can't pull out of here. Say hi, Unc. I think I missed him. Anyway, he waved. He down there fishing below the dam. I'm gonna go fish up, probably set up right here. Cast out into there by the side of the dam, see what happens. Y'all wish me luck, and we'll get back with y'all later. Like, share, subscribe, follow, all the algorithm things. That looks like a, oh, that's a turtle out there. Let's see here. Find my bearings here. Maybe I can get it on video for y'all. There we go. Well, I just missed him. He just went under. But anyway, we'll get back fishing and catch y'all in the next one. Later, y'all. Well, y'all, welcome back to Pals Fishing and Outdoors. Unc just hollered that he needs a dip net, so I'm taking him one right quick. And looks like he got one of the colossal crawdads, the eating side.
This one's dead, but the one that was pulling in went in here.
Hold on, let me turn the camera here so y'all can see. Yeah, that's good eating size. Too bad it's already dead, and
the other one went right in here, somewhere.
You don't eat dead things that you find.
No, but I can use him for bait.
Yeah, that's cut the tail off, use just the tail, or
I'm gonna use the back and everything for. But there was one right in here. He was about that size, but he was pulling him from back up here, this way. I changed him from back the other way, and he come up this way, and I'm like, I'm gonna get that motherfucker.
well, y'all,
Get him, I'll holler.
I gotta get back to my fishing, and cause I got 2 lines out, and like I said, I'm on that other side of the dam. You can see, maybe see one of my rods sticking up there. I don't know if you can see that real well, but anyway. Anybody want carp leather or gar leather? That's interesting. Somebody caught one hell of a gar out of here. Anyway, I'm gonna get back up here and get back at it. I'll let you know what happens later, y'all. Well, y'all, welcome back to Pals Fishing Outdoors. Still here at the dam on the Elk River Knoll. There's a turtle up on that log. It's getting ready to go over the dam. Thought that was funny. Let's see what we can get on video of it. Watch it. No, it got hung up. I think the turtle went down the dam though. There goes the log. That's funny. Y'all have a good one. Hope you enjoyed this one. Like, share, subscribe, follow, all the algorithm things later. Well, y'all, welcome back to Pals Fishing Outdoors. We're out here back at the above ground pond again. Got done fishing. I finally caught a little bluegill. But, we're gonna release what we caught into the above ground pond and call it a day. Hold on, y'all. This is a big one. Yep. Uncle's big drum that he caught, putting it in this above ground pond just for him to catch again. There he goes. I believe that's the bluegill I caught. I got him on a little grasshopper. Well, there he goes, flopped out of my hand. Yeah. Long-eared sunfish with the throw net. I think that's what the rest of these are that's in here. Well, long-eared sunfish. I don't know if you caught that on camera or not, but hopefully y'all did. And here goes the last one, if I can get it up out of the bucket. He's giving me problems catching him. Hold on, y'all. Back to recording now. Yeah, he wasn't that big of a problem. After I recorded, I caught him easily. Another long-eared sunfish. Anyway, I'm thinking about possibly draining this a lot of the water out of it and getting fresh water put in it. But I'll let y'all know if I decide to do that or not. It's gonna be a project. Anyway, like, share, subscribe, follow all the algorithm things, comment. Later, y'all. Have a good one.